What's up with y'all? This your boy BCP and Tank and C4 and Tank back at you again with another video. But today we gonna do something different. I'm gonna try to start a new series called Opening Up Shit. Yeah, that's right. I'm just gonna pick something random, open it up, and see what's in it. But today I got two laptops I'm gonna open up, and I'm gonna see if I can change out the RAM between each other. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright y'all, so we about to go ahead and try to get this popping, you hear me? I dropped super glue on this one. So this one right here is actually one of my wife's old laptops, you know what I'm saying? This is one of my old ones. So I'm like, you know what? Let me open it up and see what's inside. And plus, maybe I can use the RAM because I got a lot of stuff on this laptop right here, and I would love to be able to still use it for what I need. So I'm about to try to open this bad boy up and see if I can use the RAM, if the RAM is compatible. So hopefully they both are the same, either both are DDR4 or DDR3. So we about to check that out right now and see what's popping. You feel me? Okay, so let's see what we need. Okay, I don't think a regular screwdriver is gonna get it, son. Yeah, I got my son in here, Wave. See, you see his hand? So I got him in here today. We're gonna try to I need to see what I did with that little screwdriver first of all, because I don't have no clue where it can be. Let me see if this will get it. No. You see that son is getting it, but I don't think I even got to take this off. We're going to do it anyway. Why not? Why not? You feel me? So we're going to go ahead and get this first screw off, you know what I'm saying? Like so. Guess it wasn't like so. Come on now. This damn thing's so old. Oh, so. You got to also watch out for that. What the hell's in here? Okay, so this should be the RAM, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think that's the RAM, y'all. I don't know. That might be the RAM right there. I'm figuring this out as I go, by the way. As you probably can see. There we go. So I'm thinking this is the RAM, to be honest with y'all. We're gonna do like we always do. We're gonna, you know. Yeah, I think this may be the RAM. Yeah, 4 gigabytes. Yeah, this is the RAM, Samsung. But as you can see, we got the RAM, everything all good. As you can see. So this one gonna probably be a little harder. I probably have to go deeper into it, I see. Let me open up the screen just to make sure. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to go all the way in there. Okay, Dale, you gotta make it complicated, huh, Dale? You know what I'm saying? Dale play our type of games, bro. Let's see if we're getting this one out. I can't really tell if I am or not. Gotta hold my son and do this at the same time, so it's gonna be kind of hard. But you know, we don't make no excuses over here. We just get it done. You feel me? I doubt that this is gonna even work. Let me see. Let's try this one and see. So these look like they might be the same as the ones I just took off, but you never know. You know what I'm saying? Especially with the look I got. So yeah, we got it moving, y'all. We got it moving. Alright, got that one out. First one. And you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna sit those off screen for right now. This one is playing games with me, y'all. I don't understand that. Alright, y'all. So we're trying to get this bad boy open. Let me slide it back so y'all can see what I'm doing. It's kind of hard for me to try to stay in camera and also do what I'm trying to do at the same time. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta bear with me. I promise you, it ain't being done on purpose. So I need to. So I'm guessing I can just pull it. We're gonna keep following the seams and getting it open. Let me go ahead and come in this corner right here. You know, nothing major. You got hear noise in the background. That's my son. I just kicked him out. We almost got it, y'all. Pull out the hard drive. We got another screw in there. Is there some type of latch holding it? Damn, I'm about to break it. And it'll be something so simple that I had to do. But I know it's in here because it's the only place I can open it at. You know what I'm saying? Like, I see no other openings whatsoever. Okay, turn to this side like this. Let's see what we got, man. Okay, really? 3 black screws, you can see. I basically was about to break it, and I just got a feeling that this screwdriver is not gonna cut it. Alright, let's see what we got. Pretty sure I don't got what I'm looking for, but it's worth a try. Call that motherfucker a jump out. Alright, let's see what we got, man. Shit is getting real right now. See if it even fit. No, it will not. Oh, I see it right here. So it's actually on this side. Let me see what else keeping. Okay, never mind. I ain't even need the other side. Hold on, y'all. I ain't even need that other side, bro. Hopefully this motherfucker still work out there. I don't have a lot of faith in that part of it. So this one actually has 2. Wow. Is that even right, though? We sure about to find out. So this one, 4 gigs and 4 gigs. So this one has 8 gigs. So I'm about to put both of these in that one. You feel me? Speed that one up right quick, you know. Check out the speeds of both though, just to make sure. You feel me? Make sure y'all can see what I'm doing. It don't really seem like y'all can see what I'm doing, but so this is pretty much the exact same RAM that's in the other one. So it's 2 sticks of 4 gigs, which in total is 8 gigs. So I'm about to compare the speeds to see which one is faster. I don't know if you can even tell from here, but you know, we're gonna try anyway. Just to be on the safe side, I'm just gonna put both of these in that one. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's do that right quick. Alright, y'all, let's go ahead and put our 2 sticks of RAM in. I just realized that, and this is what I was saying, so these are the 2 that came out of that laptop. And this came out of the first laptop, the one that's right here. And as you can see, the teeth do not line up. Even if I flip it, they don't line up. So, hey, it is what it is, y'all. Thank y'all for watching, man. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.